everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you everything I made from the Potomac bead box for February of 2023, the treasure subscription. So these were all of the things that were in the box. And the link is below if you want to check out their website. This used to be formerly the regular box, and now it's called the Treasure Edition. And I have all the information below on the prices and everything. And if you order it quarterly or annually, you save a lot of money on it. So need to check that out below. So this is everything from there. So I will start with, I did 3 tutorials. First I did an unboxing. Then I did 3 different jewelry tutorials. I really love this box. I got so much out of it. I have to show you before I show you what I made. This is all I have left from this whole box. I still didn't use the red coral beads, but I used everything else. There's only one lucite flower left. I used all of those, the really pretty crystal bicones. There's just a few left of the pink ones. And I used all of the seed beads pretty much. So, and it comes in such a beautiful box. So this was my first tutorial. This is my upside down beaded lariat necklace using this dichro bead that they gave us. So, and I will leave a link to this tutorial below so you can see it. But I love the way this turned out. It's just one really long strand, and I say it's upside down because it actually is. And then when you put it on the way you're supposed to wear it, then it goes the right way. So this is the first one. I absolutely love this. It turned out so pretty. So it's just a seed beads, the 11 O's and the 8 O's. I just changed them up through there. And then the lengths, I made sure that the hearts were different, you know, spaced out differently. So I have that one. Then I did my Spring Fever bracelet. Now this, I used oh, I didn't have this inside the box. This was their waxed cord, and I don't really normally work with waxed cord, so it was a little out of my comfort zone, but I was really happy with the way this turned out. And I used the beautiful button that they gave us, and the pewter flowers. So this is a 2-strand, and then you just wear it like this. And then it has the little dangles hanging below. So I love the way this one turned out. So again, I have another tutorial for this. I will leave the link below, and you can see how I made it. So I have this one. And then my latest one is my Bohemian Mermaid necklace. And I call it, let me move these out of the side way. I call it that because I used the mermaid beads for this. Let me get it going. So this is what I did and for this. And I attached it with, I had one long piece of chain, and I was originally just going to attach the eye pins to each other, and then I had the chain laying next to my bead mat, and I thought, oh, this would be pretty. Now the chain didn't come with the box, but everything else did, except for this bead cap too. The bead cap was mine from my stash. But yes, I made these 3. I used up all the eye pins out of the box too. So, and I have let me get that straight. Yeah, I have all the hearts. I have them at different heights so that they kind of lay like that. And I just did this, and then I had my own jump rings, of course, and I just attached it to the chain, and I left a little bit of space between some of them, some more than others. Like this one's got a couple things in between, just because I like, I didn't want it to be too perfect. I wanted that boho look to it, that kind of irregularness. I was going to make them match up, but then when I started doing, I'm like, nah. So, yeah, so this is a really long necklace. I love the way this turned out. So this is everything I made from the box for this month. And I hope you're happy with the tutorials. Please take the time to watch them, especially if you get the box, because they'll give you some ideas for it. And even if you don't get the box, you can use these with your other beads. So, yeah, so this is my stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because I have so many videos coming up. I'm trying to make like 4 a week. That's my goal, 4 to even 5 a week. Just depends how the week's going, what else is going on. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed these, and I will see you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.